Hi guys, welcome to the ultimate guide to ChatGPT prompt engineering course. This is a full comprehensive course on prompt engineering for ChatGPT and AI text-to-image generator. As we all know, ChatGPT and generative AI have been growing very rapidly in the past couple of months, and prompt engineering definitely plays a very crucial role in maximizing the quality of output generated by ChatGPT. Prompt engineering empowers users to shape the behavior of ChatGPT, providing control, context, and customization to the generated conversations. Those things are exactly what we're going to learn in this course. In the introduction session, you will learn the basic fundamentals of prompt engineering, understanding how it works, and technologies behind prompt engineering. Then continued by learning how to balance prompt specificity and generality, since a prompt that is too specific will put limitations on ChatGPT creativity. However, a prompt that is too general or too broad will potentially cause ambiguity. Afterward, you will also get to know capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT so you can set your expectation clear and understand the output that you can expect from ChatGPT. Then followed by learning the basic structure of ChatGPT prompt, where you will extensively learn the formula of designing efficient prompt, and continued by testing several ChatGPT prompt generator to automate and speed up more complex prompt creation using tools like FlowGPT, Fusion AI, and Hall Analysis, where you can automatically transform basic prompt to more complex prompt. Since relying on automation completely is not a wise decision to do, you're also going to learn techniques for framing questions and setting context in prompt manually. After making sure you understand all the basic concepts, we will enter the main part of the course, where we will learn to write and design ChatGPT prompts for a variety of topics or purposes, such as business, entrepreneurship, copywriting, marketing, programming, content creations, resume, CV, market research, learning languages, and email template. Once we are done with writing prompts for ChatGPT, we will move to prompt engineering for AI text-to-image generator, where we will learn how to create and design effective prompts for DALL-E and Leonardo AI text-to-image generator. Afterward, you're also going to be introduced to the latest AI technology that can help you a lot in producing high-quality prompts, and that is autonomous AI agent, where you will learn how to utilize Agent GPT as your AI assistant to produce high-quality prompts autonomously. Lastly, at the end of the course, you will also learn how you can potentially monetize your expertise in prompt engineering by selling your ChatGPT and AI text-to-image generator prompts on marketplaces like Etsy and Gumroad. First of all, before getting into the course, we need to ask these questions to ourselves. Why learning prompt engineering is actually very important? Well, there are many different answers to that questions, but to me, with the rise of ChatGPT and other generative AI technologies nowadays, it is undeniable that prompt engineering is a high demand skill in today's market, since almost all industries use ChatGPT to automate their businesses. Well, we've gone this far, but I have not introduced myself yet. Hi guys, my name is Chris, and I've been creating more than 35 courses on Udemy. Previously, I worked as an IT consultant for the last couple of years before deciding to resign from my job and start running several online businesses like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products, including selling online courses on Udemy. Regarding prompt engineering, although this technology is still considered pretty new, but I've been paying very close attention to its potentials. Not only that, I also write and design prompts on daily basis for a variety of purposes, such as creating ad copy for my digital products, conducting product research for my dropshipping business, and even generating content scripts for my TikTok and YouTube shorts. Last but not least, I think it will be very essential for you to know my intention behind creating this course. I want to bring awareness that prompt engineering is a must to have skill set nowadays, and there are a lot of opportunities for AI prompt engineers. So yeah, guys, that was brief introductions about myself. Once again, welcome to the course. I'm so glad to have you here. I'm so excited to have you here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hi guys, in this video, you're going to get to know more about the table of contents of this course. So in this video, I'm going to explain things that you're going to learn, things that you're going to do in each chapter. And as you guys can see here, in total, we have 12 chapters in this course. So hopefully, by the end of this video, you're going to have a general understanding about things that you can expect to learn from each chapter. So let's begin with the first chapter here, whom this course is intended for. So in the first chapter, we're going to answer this particular question, whom this course is intended for. I'm going to explain my intention behind creating the course, and also who are my main targeted students for this course. So obviously, if you're interested in prompt engineering, you're interested to learn how to create and design effective prompts for ChatGPT, then definitely this is the right course for you. So we're going to talk more about it in the first chapter. All right, so let's move on to the second chapter, tools and resources. So in the second chapter, I'm going to provide you with full list of tools and resources that we're going to utilize to create effective prompts for ChatGPT and also AI text to image generator. And some of those tools are actually prompt generator, where you only need to enter like the basic prompts, and then the prompt generator will automatically generate you like more complex prompt, which is pretty cool, right? So yeah, that's chapter 2. Let's move on to the third chapter, introductions to prompt engineering and also understanding how it works. So for those of you who are already familiar with prompt engineering, feel free to skip that chapter. However, if you're new to prompt engineering and you want to learn more about the concept of prompt engineering, make sure you pay very close attention to chapter 3. So I'm going to introduce you to the basic fundamentals of prompt engineering and also explain how it actually works and the technologies behind prompt engineering. All right. So that's chapter 3. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 4. Getting to know capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT. So actually, chapter 4 is also very important, guys. You need to make sure you pay very close attention to chapter 4, because before getting into the topics, right, we need to understand very well what are some limitations of ChatGPT. For example, all the knowledge that is stored on ChatGPT database is based on the events prior to September 2021. So that's one of ChatGPT limitations. And there are like several other limitations too that we're going to discuss in chapter 4. Also, we're going to understand some ChatGPT capabilities so we can utilize these amazing AI tools to its fullest extent, right? So that's chapter 4. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 5. It's going to be a full step-by-step tutorial on how to create effective prompts for ChatGPT, and you're also going to learn basic structure of ChatGPT prompt, and it is very crucial for you to understand the structure of ChatGPT prompt, because by knowing and understanding the structure of the prompt, you'll be able to apply like the knowledge to many different cases, right? You're going to be able to create like many different type of prompts for many different type of purposes, applying like the concepts, the knowledge that you already understood, right? So it's very important for you to understand the structure first. So that's chapter 5. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 6. I'm going to teach you the techniques for framing questions and setting context and prompts. Alright, so as we all know, ChatGPT is definitely not a human. ChatGPT is AI, right? So it's very important for us to be able to communicate well with ChatGPT, making sure that ChatGPT understands what we are asking. All right, so when it comes to having context in your question, it's going to be very crucial, right? You cannot just expect ChatGPT to understand what we want if we don't provide context, right? So yeah, that's going to be chapter 6. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 7. Right, so writing ChatGPT prompts for copywriting, business, programming, content creators, resume, and CV. So yeah, so in chapter 7, we're going to learn how to create prompts, high quality prompts, obviously, for these several different purposes, right? For example, like programming. I'm going to teach you on how to ask ChatGPT to generate you a code template, maybe Python or JavaScript code template for your project, right? Where you can easily just customize the code template based on your need, but at least you already have the code template, so you don't have to start from complete scratch, right? And chapter 8 is kind of similar to chapter 7. All right, so we're going to write ChatGPT prompts for market research, learning languages, and email template. So, especially market research, if you're a business owner, if you are entrepreneur, you're selling your products or services online, make sure you pay very close attention to this part, market research, right? Because I'm going to teach you on how to utilize ChatGPT to its fullest extent to conduct market research or product research, whatever you want to call it, where you can get valuable data insights regarding your competitors or maybe future prospect of your product in today's market, stuff like that. So it's going to be a very cool benefit using ChatGPT for your market research, right? So that's chapter 8. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 9. So actually, we're going to do very similar thing, but instead of writing a prompt for ChatGPT, in chapter 9, we're going to write prompt for AI text to image generator, right? So there are like many different AI text to image generator nowadays, but we're just going to be concentrating on these two, DALL-E and Leonardo AI, right? So yeah, we're going to learn how to design high quality and effective prompts to generate the base quality images using these two platforms, DALL-E and Leonardo AI, right? So that's chapter 9, and let's move on to the next one here, chapter 10. Utilizing Agent GPT to produce efficient prompts. For those of you who don't know what Agent GPT is, well, it's basically like the latest AI technology, guys. So Agent GPT is autonomous AI. It's simply just like AI agent or AI assistance, whatever you want to call it, where the agent can operate automatically and autonomously without your supervisions, right? So we're going to utilize Agent GPT as our AI assistants to help us creating and designing high quality and efficient prompts, right? So let's move on to chapter 11, selling ChatGPT prompts on online marketplaces. So actually, this is like my most favorite chapters, because here in this chapter, you're going to learn how to potentially monetize your expertise, monetize your skill set and prompt engineering by selling ChatGPT prompts on online marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. And without you even realizing, your expertise in prompt engineering is actually a high demand skill set, guys, and your products that you created, your prompts that you designed, like those things are actually high demand and valuable products to be sold. So yeah, that's what we're going to learn in chapter 11. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 12, conclusion and summary. So I'm going to summarize all things that we've learned so far, and also I'm gonna share a few tips and tricks on how to take all skills and knowledge that you've learned in this course to another level. All right, I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Hi guys, in this video we're going to answer this particular question, whom this course is intended for. Based on my analysis, there are two types of people who might be interested in this course, and those two types of people are also my main target students for this course. So let's begin with the first one here, AI and ChatGPT enthusiasts. If you're one of those people, congratulations, this is definitely the right place for you guys. People who have interest in artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and chatbots. Or you might not have prior experience with prompt engineering. That's totally fine. But you're eager to learn and apply the techniques to enhance the performance of ChatGPT models. If you're one of those people, this is definitely the right course for you guys. Because guess what? That's exactly what we're going to learn in this course. So you're going to learn from the basic fundamentals of prompt engineering, the basic structure of ChatGPT prompt, how to write, how to design effective prompt from like the very basic perspective, all the way to advanced ChatGPT prompt creations, utilizing one of the latest AI technology that is called Agent GPT, which is basically autonomous AI. And the reason why we call this as autonomous AI, because this AI is able to operate autonomously, or in other words, this AI does not require our supervision. We don't have to dictate them like what to do. They can operate by themselves, which is great, right? So yeah, we're going to utilize Agent GPT as our AI assistant to help us producing high quality prompts for ChatGPT. All right. So yeah, that's the first one. Let's move on to the second type of people here, entrepreneurs. If you're one of those people, this is definitely the right course for you guys. Because this course was designed for entrepreneurs too. So guess what? In the main component of this course, you're going to learn how to utilize ChatGPT for a variety of purposes, and some of them, or maybe most of them, are actually very relevant to your business. So, for example, we're going to learn on how to create and design ChatGPT prompts for copywriting or marketing campaign, right? Maybe you're a dropshipper, right? Or you're selling digital products. You're going to need these marketing skill sets, right? So by knowing how to communicate with ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate you high quality ad copy, you'll be able to scale up your sales. That's just one of many examples. Or maybe you're a content creator, right? You're a YouTuber, or maybe you own TikTok account. So we're going to learn how to write effective prompts to communicate with ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate us ideas for our content, templates, or maybe scripts for our content, right? So yeah, if you're a content creator, this is also the right course for you. And my most favorite part is actually the market research. So whether you are a dropshipper, or maybe you're selling digital products, you are selling print-on-demand products, or whatever your business is, most likely you're going to be dealing with market research to do some analysis to see what are some strategies that you should implement to beat your competitors, right? We're also going to learn that stuff here. We're going to learn how to utilize ChatGPT to its fullest extent to conduct market research so we can get valuable data insights for our business. All right. So if you are business owner, congratulations, you're in the right place, guys. All right. So I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video where I'm going to introduce you to all tools and resources that we're going to be utilizing in this course. So I'll see you guys there.